I am of a view that the decision to disband the PKTT as a task team lay within the exclusive authority of a National Commissioner, and that the Minister did not have the legislative authority to disband the PKTT, let alone the manner in which he did. I say so for the following 6 reasons, one of which is in the alternative. Firstly, Section 206 of the Constitution enshrines the role of a minister primarily as that of providing policy direction at the national and provincial level. The Minister of Police is not a technocrat. His or her role is to advance the development of legislation and national police policy, particularly in respect of key issues that require executive attention. Therefore, a minister is empowered to select which areas warrant specialized intervention and attention, such as cash in transit, illegal mining, gangsterism, etc. However, a minister cannot prescribe or direct at an operational level, how policy is to be implemented. That is to be left to the National Commissioner, especially in view of the fact that this relates to the distribution and deployment of resources and has financial implications, which falls within the exclusive authority of a National Commissioner as the accounting officer of the Department of Police in terms of Section 36 of the Public Service Management Act. In the event that the Minister is of a view that a particular issue is no longer a priority and no longer warrants additional or specialized resources, the Minister is entitled to express that opinion or his position. However, its implementation falls within the exclusive remit of the National Commissioner.
And in fact, if I can just stop.
And what would the juristic nature of the expression of that position be?
I apologize, Chair. Can you just repeat the beginning?
You say that the minister is entitled to express that position. That is,
yes.
If he's of a particular view that an issue is no longer a priority, so the minister is entitled to express that position. So my question is, what would the juristic nature of the expression of that position be?
Chair, for me, it's important that the Minister in his engagement, either as the Minister on political level or in his engagement with the communities, hear what they are saying. And if, for example, they say the gender-based violence is no longer a problem in our community, let's hope that we ever get to that point in South Africa where we say it's no longer